What was the other thing I was gonna say?
Uh-oh.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Hey y'all. Well, I am making progress with mudding the drywall. The toilet is behind me. Good news, the sewer pipes are fixed, so we now have a working toilet, which is very exciting. I don't think it's bad to sand if you're not great at this, which, you know, novices like me are not. So I think a lightly sand, if you could figure out if it's a little bit rougher than it needs to be, a quick sand. And I learned from the experts that these pull sanders are pretty handy, and they really are. So let me just give this a little quick sand. So this is my Gator pole sander. It's pretty cool, and you know, you just give it, I'm looking for high spots, particular rough spots, things that will just save me time. All right, and I do all of the first layer stuff to get that done, so I know that it's been done. I load up my hawk, and I'm going to put down a fairly substantial coat. I'm filling in at this point, is what the experts say. I need to go wider than what's currently up there, so for feathering and smoothness. I'm going to use my same 4-inch drywall things to get the coat on there going a little bit wider. It's a whole lot faster getting the second coat on than the first coat. I'll get some of the excess off, try and get a little smooth here. And now I'm going to take my next size up taping knife, that's what it's called, to get a smoother finish. So I've gone from a 4-inch to a 6-inch. Now the experts have this worked out so well that they can just basically take this off in one swoop. I, of course, can't do that. So I'm first going to go down the middle, get what I can as smooth as I can, take some off. One of my friends who saw the last video said it reminded her of making pie crust, which I think is interesting. I don't know if that's true or not. I can see the sort of baking and art analogy, but if I handled my pie crust as much as I handle this mudding, it would be pretty bad. So I'm just working on the smoothing and feathering. I'm just making sure this is as smooth as I can make it. Applying enough pressure to get it pretty smooth. And I think that looks pretty smooth. You can see that. I like how that looks. And so I'm done with that section. So you remember how long it took me to do the first coat in that corner. So this is a whole lot easier. So I ran out of the stiff corner tape, and so I decided to go back to the paper tape, even though I've said if you're a novice not use this. I watched Vancouver Carpenter again and paid a lot of attention to say, well, maybe my skills have gotten better that I can use this without it being a disaster. And so I just did a couple of inside corners with this paper, and I've got to say I have improved, which is very exciting. Okay, so I put the mud on just like I've been doing on the corners, just a kind of a thin-ish layer, and I want to smooth it out a little bit. And now I'm going to see if I can channel my inner Vancouver carpenter or Myron Ferguson and see if it can make this as simple as they make it. So I'm putting my corner tape into the corner gently. Oops. See, that's not as easy. And pressing the other side. And so where I had trouble before is where it bubbles up as it starts to dry. So that's why I went to the stiffer tape. You can see wrinkles here, but if it works, man, it's a lot cheaper. And okay, now one thing other I discovered going to the larger taping knife right away to help smooth things out and feather, pushing down, checking for bubbles. This is the part that the experts seem to be able to skip that I haven't been able to figure out how to skip. But I do feel like I'm a lot faster than I had been. So let's give this a final swoop there. Oops, wrinkles. Final swoop there. And, okay, you can see some wrinkles here. But I think we're done on the first layer right here. So you can see that was a whole lot faster than the last time you saw the painful me going through for about 30 minutes to get this amount done. So I am reevaluating maybe switching to paper after I said I wouldn't do it because it's so much cheaper.